Hello guys, this is a tutorial for a simple ring with beautiful spirals. I'm gonna use 1.0, the size of the wire. So normally I cut any size, like it depends up to you how big do you want the spirals. So anyway, the wire that I have left, I use it for other things. Now I have my plain wire, and then I'm gonna start to make a small curve around the wire with the tool. And then you make like a small circle, half circle. Then you can see now. And now I press down, as you can see. Then you can keep pressing a little bit, slowly. And then I have my first part of the ring. Then I press with the tool, slowly, to don't ring or ring. And then you keep pressing a little bit. I use the back part of the tool, as you can see. Then I can make more pressure on my spiral. And then I help with my finger in the left hand, as you can see. Then I press both the tool and the finger, and then your spiral will be really tight and beautiful. Then I use my ring sizer stick to make my ring and make the beautiful form round. And then I check the size. This is a little bit big, so I come again to the ring sizer stick and I make it smaller, and I press, so then the ring gets smaller. Now it's much better. And then I'm gonna make the second spiral. I cut this time very long, the wire, but then I can use the rest for other things, to make chains and earrings, whatever. So I'm gonna repeat the same as the beginning. I make a round circle, a little bit, half circle. I press a little bit, very slow. And then you wrap again your spiral. Wrap and wrap. Then make pressure with your finger on the left hand and the tool. Then you can see your spiral very tight. Now I check again to measure good and to make the beautiful form. This one you can hammer. I'm gonna show you like this. I don't have my hammer now, but you can hammer like this way, and it's simple. Your spiral will be a little bit more flat and with a beautiful looking. And now I have my spiral ring, simple and beautiful. You can make this in a bigger size of wire and it will be more strong. Thank you guys for watching.